Good morning, Haynes. Got your container. I have some beautiful flowers. I'll show you just a little bit. Ooh, sneak peek. And I got a few cut orchids. See these? Fresh cut flowers are awesome. Aren't they pretty? I love this orchid. I might use this. And a few other surprises, but I'm not going to show you. I'll show you along the way. Okay. Okay, well, there's Buddy protecting your flowers. So they were outside all night, keeping nice and cool. Aren't they pretty? Got some roses. Oh my God, they're just gorgeous. Some ranunculus, tulips. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. All right, I'm gonna get started. So I did some foraging this morning. I got some pretty foliage that, I know you like that rose gold. I know you like that modern look, so you like things coming out. We are on the start. Gosh, these roses are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. These are called pink models. I love this curve. So pretty. Genestra. I'll show you. Not done yet, but getting there.